Hi guys, I'm Robin Cabana and I want to help you level up your design. Today I'm going to teach you a quick trick to try on Canva to make your script, letters, and handwritten fonts look a lot more professional. So you know those fonts that are so trendy right now, handwriting, scripty fonts, they look really cool. Canva is a great tool. As a graphic designer, I use it all the time, especially if I'm in a hurry, if I want to do something that's holiday related. They have all the clip art and stuff in there that I can just knock something out quickly. But the downside is sometimes the typography just doesn't look right. The spacing is a little hard to tweak because there just isn't a lot of control over it. So I'm going to teach you how to fix that and make it look so much better with just a few easy steps. Okay, so here I am in Canva and I'm going to make a little card for Mother's Day. Let's add a little header here. Write out Happy Mother's Day, and I'm going to change a font to pick one of these, popular handwritten scripty type fonts. This one is Playlist Script, which is pretty popular. Okay, here it is at a big size, but I kind of want Mother's Day to be on one line like this. Okay, cool. Okay, so here's what drives me crazy. It's these apostrophes, and I see this all the time. Pins, logos. Get rid of the space, just delete the apostrophe, cut it, and paste it back in. Now, there you go. Just position it where you want it. You can make the type a little bit smaller because sometimes they look a little big and goofy. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Now, you can keep going. Now, I personally don't like how the P and the H are touching here. I'm still moving this around just to get it perfect. So, yeah, I'm going to take happy and put that on its own line. And let's move Mother's Day back down here. Okay. I'll have to fix that apostrophe at some point. Okay. Let's move happy. And I'm going to make this just a little bit smaller so that the focus is on the words Mother's Day, because that's the important phrase there. Okay. Make that a little smaller. Line it up. I love that Canva just automatically will line stuff up for you. I'm moving this, by the way, by holding down Shift and moving my arrow keys, and that's what I'm doing. Now I'm going to add a color background, pink, because it's cute, and change the type to white. And then I have to also change this apostrophe. Remember to do that since it's on its own layer. Okay, so I'm looking for some flowers to add to my little card here. This is cute. I like yellow, so I want to use this little bouquet. And let's see. We can fit this in here. Maybe size it down a little bit. Again, let's see. Oh, you know what? This fits really nicely with this type. So what I want to do is maybe make a little bit of adjustments to make happy match the flowers there. Once you import a graphic, what's cool is the color palette changes. Okay, now I'm holding down Shift and grabbing the corner to make that smaller and keep it all in proportion. I want to get this to fit right in here and look all cute. So I'm going to put Day on its own line. And let's move Mother's back over. And we have to move that apostrophe again. And let's put Day back, except that says happy. And it's the wrong color, so let's make it white again. And I hope you can't hear my dog snoring. She's snoring right now. I know that's totally amazingly professional. Okay, let's align this, put it there. And then I am going to send the copy to the back. So the flowers are kind of like on top, and I think that looks really cute. I want to show you some other fonts that are in Canva. These are all scripts. So you can see this apostrophe issue. It doesn't look too bad there, but that's also just not the nicest font, that second one. So yeah, you get this big gap, and then if you get rid of it, you can do this trick with any font in Canva. Okay, so if you want to adjust the spacing, watch what happens here. All the letters are squishing. You can't control that one little space, even though I just have that selected. It's kind of annoying, and yeah, you don't have a lot of control here in Canva over the kerning. That's what you call it when you're changing the space in between. I'll show you Photoshop. Here's the same font, the same word, mothers. Now watch the little circle, the kerning between letters. See how I'm adjusting that? I'm using a shortcut that I'll put in here to make the adjustment, and I can also do it over here. And you see, it's all connected and it looks just a lot nicer, and it's easier to do in Photoshop. And this also works in InDesign and Illustrator. But the point of using Canva is you want to do something quickly. You don't necessarily want to go into Photoshop or Illustrator or learn those programs. You want to just be able to do it quickly and make something cute, like this little Mother's Day graphic. What do you guys think? Comment down below. If you found this tutorial helpful, send me a link to your work or your projects. You can comment down below or hit me up on Instagram, rmcabana. I'd love to see what you create. Comment down below as well if there are other things you'd like to learn. I'd be happy to make some more tutorials. And you can find out more about my work at robincabana.com and find out how to work with me or contact me and, you know, check out my blog and all that good stuff. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.